In this video, I will show you how to import a Figma design to WordPress. To do this, what you want to do is first open up Figma and go to the design you want to import. Now, for example, if I want to do this product page, what you can do is just gonna select it. Now right click on it, and from there you want to go to plugins, and then here click manage plugins. Now you can also do this with your entire page, just gonna select whatever you want to do, or you can just do one layer by right clicking on it. Now from here, gonna search for WordPress, and then I use this one that says Figma to WordPress. So from there you then need to enter your email and then click start now. Now here select your Figma URL. So what you need to do is click the share button, so it's actually going to import the entire thing. So click share right there, and now click copy link right there, then paste in your Figma URL and click create your website. Now, by the way, the access does need to be anyone, because otherwise they cannot read the page. Now you can add frames as the main page. So what you now need to do is to select, first highlight an element in your design. So for example, if I take this page right here, I can now add these frames as my main page. Now from there you can go and click continue. Now it's running their AI model that is then analyzing your page, and from there it is going to import it onto your WordPress website. Now of course you still need to connect it to WordPress, so that's what you'll need to do next. Now you can see it is now building your page by running through their pipeline using their AI. And now what you can do is click preview, and then you will need to go and create an account or sign into your account if you already have one. And then you will see we are building your preview. And now you can see it has now taken one of the pages that I had and converted it into a WordPress design. So you can see in Figma it's this page right here. So we are farmers, etc. And then the images right there. And that has now been converted right here into the design that you can now import into WordPress. So now you need to click on get this theme, and then click on either download or publish online. And this is not a free option, so it does cost $19.90 per design, or if billed monthly you can do $29.90 per month, or unlimited for $49, where you have unlimited themes. Now if that's not worth it for you and you don't want to pay for it, then you could also search for a free option. But I have found that most of these don't actually work that well, and this one does work very well, so it will do it correctly. And if you don't mind paying a little bit for that, then I think that this is the best option. But otherwise you can maybe also find a free one, although it will take a little bit more searching. So you can see this one is actually, but it will take a little bit, but you will need to search a bit longer if you want to find a free one. But overall the one that I showed you definitely works, but again it is not free. So now you know how you can import your Figma design into WordPress. If this video did help you out, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.